Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tech Insider. Today we have 5 stories from completely different corners of the AI world, from brain-inspired neural networks to robot caregivers. Let's get into it. First up. New AI neural network architecture mimics the human brain at unprecedented scale. Researchers at Stanford and Google DeepMind have developed a new neural network architecture that processes information using brain-inspired spiking neurons, achieving human-level reasoning on complex tasks while using 90% less energy than traditional transformers. The model, called NeuroSpike, can learn continuously without forgetting previous knowledge, solving one of AI's oldest problems known as catastrophic forgetting. Next. The AI search engine war, Google, Perplexity, and ChatGPT are battling for the future of information. The way we find information online is being completely rewritten. Google's AI overviews now appear on over 80% of searches. Story 3. AI-powered autonomous weapons are now being deployed by multiple nations. The era of AI warfare has officially begun. Multiple nations have deployed AI-powered autonomous drone swarms capable of identifying, tracking, and engaging targets without human approval. Number 4. Real-time AI translation is now making language barriers disappear worldwide. AI-powered real-time translation has reached a tipping point. Meta's new seamless M4T model translates speech-to-speech across 100 languages with near-human accuracy and less than 2 seconds of delay. And finally, AI companion robots are solving the global elder care crisis. Japan, facing the world's oldest population, has deployed over 100,000 AI companion robots in elder care facilities. These robots monitor vital signs, detect falls within seconds, remind patients to take medication, and, most importantly, provide genuine social interaction that reduces loneliness. That's all for today. Subscribe for daily AI updates. See you tomorrow.